A list of healthy foods to boost sex drive and libido. Men and women suffer with all kinds of stress, nutrient deficiencies and health conditions which can lower their sex drive. This can also have a negative effect on your self-esteem and mental health over time. The good news is that by improving your diet, it is possible to boost your sex drive in a natural way. In today's video, we will explore 15 foods that boost sex drive in men and women naturally. We will also take a look at what to avoid. 1. Watermelon. Watermelon contains an amino acid called L-citrulline, which boosts circulation of blood flow to the sexual organs. This helps to treat erectile dysfunction in men and improve sexual drive in women. 2. Shellfish. If you have poor libido or sexual desire, then eating shellfish 2 to 3 times per week can make a difference. Mussels, crabs, shrimp and other shellfish provide minerals such as zinc, which improve hormone balance. This helps to make you feel good, trigger relaxation and arousal. 3. Garlic. One of the most powerful superfoods, garlic is rich in a compound called allicin, which also helps to improve blood flow to the sexual organs and glands. Adding this to healthy recipes is a great way to boost your sexual desire. 4. Basil. Basil is a delicious herb rich in aromatic compounds that help to stimulate sex drive. The pungent and wonderful smell is said to act as an aphrodisiac for both male and females. Basil is also used to help women get pregnant. 5. Ginkgo biloba. This is another herb which acts as an antidepressant and lifts the mood. This works particularly well in men and is extracted from the Chinese ginkgo tree. 6. Avocado. Rich in healthy fats and important minerals, avocados are also excellent for improving sex drive. The nutrients in these help to promote relaxation to relieve any stress which may be blocking your sexual desire. 7. Tribulus. This is a small leafy plant used in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. Consuming this boosts sexual pleasure and satisfaction in women and improves desire in men. 8. Fenugreek seeds. These seeds can be used in delicious curries and healthy stir-fries to improve sexual health and sex drive. They contain compounds that the body uses to make sex hormones. Avoid this if you are taking blood thinners, however. 9. Saffron. Another delicious spice made from a type of flower. This is excellent to consume if you suffer with low mood, depression or mental disorders. It helps to calm the body's nervous system and then helps to increase desire and arousal in men and women. 10. Dark chocolate. Eating chocolate promotes the release of phenethylamine and serotonin in your body. This acts as an aphrodisiac which helps to boost mood and desire. 11. Pistachios. These green nuts are rich in nutrients and have been consumed for over 8,000 years. They help to lower blood pressure and manage cholesterol, which also has the positive effect of boosting sex drive. It can increase blood flow to the sexual organs. Drinking 1 small cup of coffee once per day can also help to boost sex drive. However, drinking too much can have the opposite effect. 14. Maca root. Maca grows in the Andes in Peru at very high altitudes and has long been used to improve sex drive and libido. You can get this in powdered form and add to a daily smoothie. It also increases fertility in men and is wonderful for menopausal women. 15. Chilies. Last but not least, hot chilies are also a wonderful food to consume to boost sex drive. The spicy capsaicin compound in chilies stimulates nerve endings on the tongue, causing the release of sex drive boosting chemicals. What to avoid? Drinking alcohol can help to relax the mood. However, high alcohol intake can actually reduce arousal and sexual function, so moderation is the key. Do not consume too many caffeinated beverages such as tea, coffee and soda drinks, as these overstimulate your adrenal glands, which can lower your sex drive over time. Diet soda often contains artificial sweeteners and aspartame, which can lower serotonin levels, a vital hormone needed to help get you in the mood. Eating too many refined carbohydrates and sugary foods pulls nutrients out of your body, which can lead to erectile dysfunction in men and poor libido and desire in women. Final notes. As you can see, taking care of your diet is absolutely essential when it comes to improving sex drive and supporting healthy hormones. We also recommend getting at least 10 to 15 minutes of aerobic exercise each day to help improve blood flow to the many glands and organs involved with sexuality. If you feel stressed often, taking long walks in nature can help to increase oxygenation of the blood, which naturally reduces stress hormones and may improve your libido. To learn more about nutrition and healthy foods, please see our other videos. Thank you very much.